Art is not what you see, but what you make others see. Art is when you hear a knock from your soul and you answer it. It is a beautiful expression of feelings, emotions, and thoughts. And above all, it's a talent of creativity.
On behalf of Army Public School Ahmednagar, I, Vishakha,
And I, Rachel, extend a very warm welcome to all of you to this aesthetic virtual art fest. The young artists of our prestigious and renowned school are going to mesmerize you by showcasing their imagination and creativity through art.
now I will request our respected principal, Mrs. Newton Mishra, to inaugurate this art fest.
Greetings to all. The aim of education is to ensure that all learners acquire relevant knowledge, skills, attitudes, and values. And this pandemic has forced us into a situation that may become a reality of tomorrow, compelling upon us a realization that there needs to be brought about a paradigm shift in our outlook towards education by broadening its purview to assimilate and accommodate those fields which were hitherto overlooked and neglected by parents, educators, and societies. In the present times, we need our learners not only to navigate the digital world with aplomb, but contribute to it by becoming content creators and developers. Using technology to make PPTs, audiovisuals, infographics, analyze, collect, and collate should be the skills they can do with the sleight of a hand. It is with great pride we acknowledge that our learners have begun taking those crucial steps thanks to some unforeseen circumstances. And today, on behalf of the students, staff, and management of Army Public School Ahmednagar, it gives me unfathomable pleasure to present some results of these small steps and significant ones through an amazing display of art, song, dance, and culture put forth under the able guidance of our art teachers. I hope the esteemed visitors will not only appreciate the painstaking endeavors and talents of our learners, but also how they straddle varied fields with poise and dexterity. Thank you and bon voyage.
Thank you, ma'am, for inaugurating the Art Fest, Kalakriti, and for your kind and encouraging words. कला कभी भी बाहरी रूप रंग को प्रदर्शित नहीं करती, बल्कि वह आंतरिक रूप को दर्शाने में ज्यादा महत्व देती है.
India is an amalgamation of various cultures, traditions, and art forms. Every state has its unique art style.
It is also famous for dance forms like Gotipua, Chau, Pala, and art forms like Patachitra, sand, sculptural art, brass, and Dokra works, and is also a musical center of South Asia. Now, the Dariji Buds of APS would like to welcome you all with a musical note and their dance moves.
splendid performance, a perfect cultural blend. Now, without further ado, let's begin with our virtual art tour. Kalakriti.
Odisha has various cultural forms and art. It is impossible to list each and every art form of this urban talented state. Most out of here are some of the best known ones like Pattachitra or cloth painting.
By learning art, children experiment using colors and paintbrushes. Art also increases their fine motor skills, and we as children, in fact, feel very good when we are creating.
All sorts of art show creativity, texture, color, and random art converts meaningless strings into abstract, structured images.
Craft is a applied form of art, reflecting the inclusive nature of imagination. Handicraft work is very useful, and many decorative objects are made completely by hand or using some.
There is nothing as delightful as drawing. Drawing is a vision on paper. As a kid, we all learned to scribble with a pencil. It not only taught us to write, but also to put our feelings on paper through various drawings.
So, they created with their heart and built with their mind. Globally, we are going through this pandemic, COVID 19, but we all have learned to handle things through different ways and means. Our principal, teachers, and staff have not left any stone unturned to make our education effective by many virtual means.
भारत की शान हो तुम, जम्मू की जान हो तुम, सरहद का अरमान हो तुम, दिल्ली का दिल हो तुम, इस देश की पहचान हो तुम. We Indians pride ourselves upon our tri-services, Army, Navy and Air Force. We can sleep well at night because they keep awake. They protect our borders day and night.
Aroha Club is a social working club started by the students of Army Public School Ahmednagar itself. In the past year, we did all we could to help in bringing about a change and tried our best to help the people around us smile. I would like to thank the school authorities for giving us this platform to showcase the talent of differently abled children.
So painting for me is like therapy. I want my paintings to be the kind that they should be the first thing one's eyes start towards when one enters the room. So boldness is something I strive for in my paintings, also with deep symbolism.
This painting is done in watercolor medium. I do most of my painting in abstract style. I love drawing paintings in watercolor medium because it gives the smoke effect on the paper.
I'm going to show you all my artworks right now.
It can get a little messy, but that is the beauty of the fluid art. So I'm done with my fluid art and I love it.
This is my style of painting. These are a few paintings that I have made. I call this style a fusion of Indian abstract modern art. I really like this style because it is a combination of Indian elements combined with
Mandela art, which is a very powerful art form used for meditation. Here I have used the art form to portray the present scenario that we all are battling, that is COVID-19. My painting depicts our real life heroes who are saving millions of lives, that is, the doctor.
Smile is a curve that is contagious. It breaks the silence, builds relationships, and mend the broken one.
मुस्कुराएगा ये वतन, फिर से मुस्कुराएगा, मुश्किलों का वक्त जाएगा, रास्ता मंजिलों से फिर मिल जाएगा, हौसलों की जीत फिर से हो जाएगी, आसमान पर तिरंगा खुशी से लहराएगा, मुस्कुराएगा फिर से ये वतन, मुस्कुराएगा।
जय जय हे, जय जय हे, जय जय हे, जय हो, जय जय
हे, जय जय हे, जय जय हे, जय। फिर से शहरों में रौनक आएगी,
फिर से गाँव में लौटेगी हंसी,
फिर से संग सारे यार होंगे,
ना होगी पाबंदी, ना रोक ही कोई,
फिर से सड़कों पे सब नाचेंगे, पटरी पे पहिए बाजेंगे, गूंजेंगे खेलों के मैदान,
बांटेंगे हम खुशियाँ, गम भी हम मिलकर बांटेंगे, फिर से होगी सपनों की उड़ान, जो साथ दे दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, फिर जीत जाएगा इंडिया।
जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया,
जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप सभी का कि आपने अपना कीमती समय हमें दिया।
I hope you enjoyed this virtual art event as much as we enjoyed hosting it for you. On behalf of Army Public School, Ahmednagar, I, Vishakha,
and I, Rachel, are very grateful to each one of you for your valuable time. Thank you.